Okay, excellent. Day in the life video. Today's the 21st of December 2022. Coming up on the end of the year here. Isn't that neat? All right, so it's a Wednesday and we have regular work scheduled today. Actually, we've got 2 pigs that we need to get started on, get them processed. So today we basically, get them to the point where they're split in 2 and on the tables in the shop for some customers. But the big news around here is that we're supposed to be getting a big winter storm that's going to start tomorrow afternoon. They told us this, I think, a week ago too. But this one's supposed to be bigger. It's supposed to be between 1 foot and 2 feet of snow, which is not like that doesn't ever happen here. It does pretty routinely. But, I guess I'm mostly ready for it, but it adds a level of other things that I need to do. So I came out this morning, and because I'll be plowing snow, I had to get the old girl running. I haven't had it started since Thanksgiving. And just gave it a shot of starting fluid. She took right off. And it's supposed to be at Spears right now. It's supposed to be getting fixed over there. It's got a couple of little things that I just want them to get straightened out, but it's not going to make it, and I can't bring it now because I'm going to need it to push snow. I can do a lot of it with this, but I want to have 2. I want to have a backup just in case. I like to keep the tractor as a backup. So the tractor's diesel, and because it was 11 degrees this morning, I had to come out and plug it in. And so it's been sitting there for an hour, and it's probably ready to give it a start. But that's the way it is. When it's real cold like this, everything takes a little bit longer. And, we're used to it. We've got things to do inside today as well, so it's not like we won't have things to do. But we want to get ahead, get the cattle all fed, make sure there's plenty of food out there for them. We've already watered them for the day. Make sure the pigs are all fed up. So just in case we have a day where we need to hunker down and just plow snow, we won't have to be stressed over that. So I had this unfortunate thing happen to the clear span, and we had to take all of the hay that was in there out. And but in the wintertime it's okay because I'm just feeding right out of that. In the summertime, if we have rain come down on it, then it'll get soaked and it starts to rot. So I'm in pretty good shape this year. If I wind up getting a bunch more cows, I'll be okay. I'll have the feed for them. It's always nice to have extra just in case something goes wrong. So that's it. Here's the old Ford running. Boy, I like that truck. I get in it and I rev it up, throw it in gear. She just moves really good, very powerful. I had some thoughts about changing it over to a diesel engine. I like that thought, but the 390 has worked so well for so many years. I think we're just gonna spruce her up a little bit and keep it going. It's real easy to get parts for these trucks. I need 2 new doors, and I need the front fenders, both sides. They're not bad. I just want to replace them, and the inner fenders need to go too. The hood's good, the interior's fine. Front and rear axle is great. So there's a ton of good equipment right there. I just want to upgrade it so it's way more dependable. And then, like I used to, start driving it every day as my daily machine. I just haven't done that in a while because I've had the man van, but I need to get back to driving it, or it's not gonna be around long. If you don't drive them, they just don't last. like anything, use it or lose it. Anyway, anyone can farm. Sayonara.